Okay, today's goal, explore probability with geometric shapes. And a couple days, maybe a week ago, we did probability and we talked about how probability would be the part we wanted over the whole thing. Like if I wanted a 3 on a dice, the part I wanted was 1 3 out of the whole dice 6. So we're just going to apply this idea to shapes that we've been talking about for the past couple days. Square and circle mostly, but you could do it with a triangle and a trapezoid also. So the first one, very similar to what we did last week. I would like to get the probability of getting an A. Okay, well, that's 1 out of 3 sections. And then a probability of getting 1. Okay, that's 3 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sections. And then we had that question that said, what do you do if you do probability twice in the same problem? Oh, you multiply. How do you multiply fractions? Straight across. So we have a 3 in 24 chance of getting an A and then a 1. Or we discovered sometimes that answer isn't a choice. Then we simplify and hope that 1/8 is a choice. Same thing for the next one. I would like the probability of getting a B, 1, 2 out of 3. Not a 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 8. Multiply straight across. So this we've practiced a lot. I know one of the examples I had was tossing a coin and getting heads and then rolling a 3 on a dice. You just multiply them together. The shapes part has to do with area that we've practiced the past couple days, 3 I think. So find the probability of randomly choosing a point in region B. The part I want over the whole shape. The part I want is the red B. It's a rectangle. The whole shape, also a rectangle, just a bigger one. Go ahead and pause and simplify for a second. I got 120 over 700. Divide by 10, 12 and 70. Divide by 2, 6/35. So basically we're combining our probability and the area of shapes together. Next one. A coin is randomly dropped. What is the probability the coin lands in the circle? Oh, the part I want on top, a circle. Pi r squared sounds like area to me. The whole shape is this square. 5 times 5. Now you're going to need to substitute something in for pi, something in for r. Calculate the top, calculate the bottom. Maybe you can simplify, maybe you can't. Ready, go. (2.5 times 2.5 times 3.14). Anytime you multiply by pi, it's kind of messy. 19.625 over 25. Can't really simplify that one with this weird decimal, so that's it. what do I want this time? I want a coin that lands in a square. 5 by 5, 5 by 5, 5 by 5, 5 by 5. But wait, there's 4 of them, so I will multiply by 4. What's the whole shape? A circle. Pi r squared sounds like area to me. Go ahead and pause, do some calculating. What's going to go in for pi? What's going to go in for r? Go. Five times 4 is 100. 3.14 times, oh boy, who fell for the distractor? We needed halfway across. Again, anytime you have pi, you're going to get kind of a weird decimal. We can't simplify that. That's okay. Good news for us. Less work. Angle X, 36 degrees. So if I would like to find the probability of angle X, part I want, 36 over the whole shape. Did you say 360? Cut that in half. Half again. Divide by 9. That's a 1. Ooh, the probability of not X. So now I do not want to land in here, but I could do Y, Z, V, or W. But hey, if this is X and I want not X, what's left? Well, there's 9 out of 10 chances of not getting X. That was easy. Choosing a point in the blue region. Ooh, they want 3 answers for this one. The other day, April Fool's Day, we talked about the square donut where the middle got popped out. Big square minus little square. Big square, 2 times 2, 4. Little square, 1 times 1, 1. So if this is 1, what is the blue part? Because that's what I wanted, blue. The whole thing is 4. What's left for blue if this is 1? Did you say 3? All of this is 3. If this is 1 and the whole thing's 4, that leaves 3 for blue. There's my fraction. What's the decimal? Did you say 0.75? Percent, move right twice. So there's the 3 answers it was looking for. Next one, I see 3 and actually 4 things happening. A red A rectangle, 9 times 6, right? Another 9 times 6 over here. And then a 12 by Did you say 3? 36? Probability of A. Okay, I want A. The whole shape. Oh, I haven't done that yet. The whole shape. 12 times 12. Cut it in half. Divide by 9. Why don't you pause here and see if you can do the other two? Not C. I actually goofed up the first time when I was practicing on my own. Not C means I want 54 and 54, 108. 144 is the total. Cut it in half. Divide by 9. Cut it in half. Woo! Last one. Not A or C. Oh, sorry. Yes, A and C. Not B. 36 and 54 would make 90. Cut it in half. Divide by 9. Here's some good fraction simplifying that we're doing. Okay, last one. Actually, I think this one's a little easier if you ask me. If I want yellow, and that's 140 degrees, the whole shape, 360. Divide by 10. Cut it in half. Go ahead and pause to see if you can get the last ones. Thirteen's prime. I'm going over here for red. Green. How'd you do? Okay, so basically on the worksheet, you're going to do very similar things. Some of them are a little easier like this one. Some of them involve more calculating, like area of a square, rectangle. This one had area of a circle, pi r squared. So keep that in mind. Do your best. Talk to you later.